Yo, what up everybody? Matty Ice here today. Got another haul, another one. You know, I've been going off. Got so many hauls on this channel, so you know, go check all the rest of those. All the rest of those hauls out too. You know what I'm doing. Grinding, showing you what I got, the cool shit. You know what I like? I like cool shit. So that's what it's about. Right, Maya? Maya's not got that energy, but I gotta bring the energy, right, Maya? I bring that energy. Whenever you need to go, I bring that energy. So it's more like a mini haul we got today. Another one from SSENSE. Yeah, so like, you know, they got their sale still going on, so you know, go check that out. They got tons of shit, super sick shit on their website, super expensive, but you know, they got some good sales too, so you gotta shit through, and you can find the good shit. You just like search boop boop boop, whatever you're like really into. I'm into cause, so you know, I'm always searching the cause shit. I really should stop, because every time I see something, I'm like, I need it, and especially if it's on sale, I'm like, oh my god, what the fuck, bro? Anyways, yeah, mini haul. This is like number 7 for SSENSE, I think. Maybe 8 now. Yeah. Let's open it up and see what we got. First item. I got this Frisbee. So it's this collab. Gramicci. I don't know what Gramicci is. X Wham-O. I swear I've heard of Wham-O though. And Gramicci, it just sounds like some like designer brand. The reason I got it is because of this like abstract design. It looks super sick, but one thing I will say is it looks completely different in person compared to online as usual. I don't know why it's always like that. Like, why can't they just take like a real pic, like just hold it up and like take a picture of it? Like, it's not that hard. Like on the website, I swear it like wasn't like as translucent. It was more like white, I think, with like more like predominant designs throughout. 1980 Wham-O. Oh, so this must be like like the original Frisbee, I guess, or something, with like a designer design on it. So this is sick. Look, are you gonna play with the Frisbee with me, Maya? I don't want her to chew it up, but yeah, that's pretty sick, not bad. It was half off, I think. So yeah, I was eyeing that for a while. It sold out, and I guess like people returned it probably because it looks completely different than the website. So, but this design, I would just like hang this up just as like a decoration, but I'm definitely gonna try and use it, especially summer's coming to an end, but try and use it for the rest of summer and next summer, you know, whatnot. Yeah, it will like sold out. I don't know, the website's really weird. Stuff will sell out a lot. I don't know if it's because like they get a lot of returns, or like sometimes they just get extra stock, or like they like find it in the back. I don't know what happens. Next is, I'm gonna have to see. Yeah, this is like men's sizing. This was in the women's section. I've been wanting to try the Carhartt work in progress socks because I saw a pair of blue ones on dead stock, but these ones are on sale, so I was like, oh, I'll try out the black ones just to like give it a try. It was a better discount anyways, so then if I want the blue ones, I can go get those for full price later on. I know if they're actually like worth it, you know. So they're called the Chase socks, Carhartt work in progress Chase socks. This is in black. It was in the women's section for some reason. They always do that. I talked about that in my other hauls. Is like I've gotten like, in a few of my hauls I've gotten stuff from the women's section. I'm pretty sure it's still men's. Really weird, but yeah, it's unisex. I don't know why they put stuff in the women's section. I don't know how they decide that. Made out of some cotton, polyester, elastin, made in Pakistan. They look really good quality, so I'm gonna have to try these out. Oh, I can just take them right out. And oh, they're not even like normally, like, I hate how there's always like all these like plastic things like attaching it, like going through it, like, because then it like ruins it. You don't want to like ruin the stitching by like trying to cut it out and all that, and like put holes in it and like ruin the whatever. So yeah, it definitely looks normal sizing. It says European 39 to 46, UK 6 to 11, so I think that's like what? Like 5 to 9? Maybe they are smaller. I'll have to Google the conversion because I forget it. But yeah, it's got like this nice gold embroidery, the Carhartt. That's why embroideries always set me on. I'm really gonna have to try them on, like try them out. Like, I'll search up the size because maybe they'll be too small. Uh-oh. Might have to do a return. Hopefully not. They do free returns anyways, so I'll set these off to the side to investigate, look into a bit more, and then if they're good, I'll try them on maybe for the video. Last item. So you probably saw I got a new wallet recently, the Comme des Garçons one, but that's like my bougie wallet. That's like for going out, like dinner, or like somewhere where like I don't have to worry about it. But like an everyday wallet, this is my new everyday wallet. I got a Carhartt work in progress wallet. I really just like the design of this one, how it has like ripstop, also canvas, also corduroy. Like it's just a sick design with this like brass zipper, and it matches Maya's collar, so you could probably see in one of my previous hauls I got this tan collar, so it'll match her. Also like matches my pillow kind of, so you know I'm gonna get like the whole tan scene going. There's even like a hat that has the same, a bucket hat that has the same ripstop canvas corduroy design. I didn't realize it was like a soft corduroy. It's not like a hard corduroy, it's like a soft corduroy, but like yeah, the hat has the same design, so I could even get that. I could make a full outfit of this colorway, so it's really sick. Open it up. It's smaller than I expected, definitely smaller than I expected, but still super sick. And it's good how it's small because then it'll fit in my pocket, so it's kind of like better that it's smaller than I expected, I guess. But yeah, you can check out the preview at the end of the video if you want to see more of this or any of the other products. I always do previews, close-ups of the macro lens, even though Apple fucking fucked up the macro lens, but I always do previews of the macro lens and stuff like that, and try-ons. Nothing to try on except the socks. But yeah, you could always check out the preview. I put a timestamp in the description. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I rearranged my apartment too. So I'm doing an apartment tour coming soon, probably right after this video. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe, support. Thank you. Go check out the sale. Preview time. Oh yeah, I also forgot to show the name of the wallet. It's the Carhartt Work in Progress Medley Zip Wallet. Very cool, unisex size, or unit size. I don't know. Medley, yeah, that's what it's called. I've been eyeing it for a while. Pretty sick. Dusty H. And the verdict is, these might be my new favorite crew socks. Honestly, like putting them on, like first impression when I slip them on, lots of room in the foot. It's usually way too tight, and just enough tightness on the leg because I have fat legs, so usually it's too tight on the leg, but there's just enough where it's in just enough elastin. It's made with a special fiber that they patented called Lycra, and it's actually like, I actually would vouch for it. Like, they're so roomy and so comfy. Like, that's the one thing that I need and I love about these ones is like, they're tight, like it's tight on the ankles and like just fitting on the feet, but like just enough room where it's not too tight that it's annoying. It's like a comfortable feel. Like it almost feels like barefoot. Like it feels like I don't even have a sock on almost. Like you feel the warmth on like the leg, but like this is just so nice and breathable. So much room, so like stretchy, really nice material. Really like that. Like, you need that, you need mostly cotton. That's like the main component that you need, like some nice natural cotton, and they probably use good natural cotton for this. And yeah, usually socks are just way too tight and just annoying, and like they feel like they just feel annoying on me, you know, like it just like bothers me. These ones are actually super nice. Definitely gonna get that other pair. But yeah, still the ACG crew socks still gonna be my favorite, I think, especially for winter. But like for like all season, this might take it because I can't wear the ACG in the summer. Really, they're way too heavy and like they have wool in them. But these ones, they're nice. I like it. I really like